In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur part of a video using Clipchamp. Whether you're looking to obscure sensitive information or simply add a creative touch to your project, this tutorial has you covered. Let's get started. First, let's open a browser and head over to clipchamp.com. This is the platform where we'll be doing all the editing magic today. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to click on sign in at the top right corner of the page. Clipchamp gives you a convenient option to sign in using your Microsoft account, so go ahead and click continue with Microsoft to proceed. You'll then be prompted to select your Microsoft account as part of the login process. Once you've signed in, you should find yourself on the Clipchamp homepage. Now that we're in, let's jump into creating your project. Click on Create a New Video. This will direct you to the video editor interface where the real work begins. Before we can apply any effects, we need a video or image to edit. Click Import Media to bring in the video or image file you want to work on. You can either browse your computer files or simply drag and drop them into the Clipchamp window. Once the media is uploaded, add it to the timeline. Do this by clicking or dragging the file down to the timeline area at the bottom of your screen. Once your video is on the timeline, we're going to need two layers. Duplicate your video to create this additional layer. Having two layers allows us to apply effects to specific parts of the video without affecting the rest of it. Next, select the top layer of your video. It's time to focus on the area you want to blur. Use the crop tool to isolate this particular section. Click on it and drag the corners to adjust the frame to just the area you want to blur out, leaving the rest of your video unaffected. Now go to the Effects tab, usually located towards the left or within the editing toolbar. You're going to scroll through and find Blur. Select it and voila, your chosen area will be blurred. Take a moment to review your work and adjust the blur intensity if needed. Most editing software will have a slider or similar tool that lets you modify how strong the blur effect is, so you can fine tune it to your liking. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully blurred